How does the binding energy per nucleon vary with the increase in the mass number of nucleons? Okay. If the binding energy, what happens if the binding energy with the variation in the increase of the number of nucleons? Okay. We have the image is there. There is a chart is if you are going to observe here. This is the graph of binding energy per nucleon. It is in the y-axis. The value it shows from 1 and 7.6 here if you are going to observe. And the x-axis indicates the mass number, that is 0 to 50, 100, 150, 200 and 210. If you clearly observe the graph here, there are many elements are there: hydrogen, helium, then a nitrogen, iron, that is if Fe is iron, calcium, neon. Okay, all these oxygen, carbon, all these elements, there is a binding energy graph is there here. If you observe here, after certain value, the graph is gradually, it is decreases. That means we can see from the options decrease continuously with the mass number. No, it is not. First, gradually it is increases. It is increases and decreases, increases and decreases, increases and decreases. And finally, again, it would increases the maximum. It is for the element that is iron. Then afterwards, it is gradually decreases. Then decrease continuously with mass number. This is not the right option. Second option, first decreases and then increases with the increase in the mass number. No, first it is not decreases. First it is increases. So I can say option B is also wrong. First increases and then decreases in the increase in the mass number. Yes, we can say this is the right option also. Okay. Increase continuously with the mass number? No, it is not increases. It is increases and decreases. So I can say option D is also wrong. Then option C is the right answer here.